Unlock the full potential of your Sony A1 by ensuring it always has the latest firmware. First, power off your Sony A1 and remove the battery and memory card. On your computer, open a web browser and navigate to the official Sony support website. In the search bar, type Sony A1 firmware and press enter. Locate the firmware download section for your specific A1 model and operating system. Download the latest firmware file to your computer, making sure to remember where you saved it. Now, insert a compatible memory card into your computer's card reader. Copy the downloaded firmware file directly onto the root directory of the memory card. Do not place it in any folders. Safely eject the memory card from your computer and insert it back into your powered-off Sony A1. Reinsert the camera's battery. Power on your Sony A1. The camera should automatically detect the new firmware and begin the update process. Follow any on-screen prompts and wait for the update to finish. Once complete, the camera will restart. Congratulations, your Sony A1 is now running the latest firmware, ready for enhanced performance and new features.